I will set my eyes upon you, Lord. I will look to you as my reward. Help me do all that I have promised. I want to live for you. I will set my face toward the prize. I will give my life as a sacrifice. I will walk according to your promise. I want to live for you.
If I dare to lose my life, I will find in love in you
All that I have, all that I am, all I can give to you. All that I dream, all that I hope for, all I desire, Lord, I give to you.
Okay, well, Yvonne, this is all the rubble that was taken from inside the church. As you can see, we probably would need to have about 2 skips to take them all away, and there's a team in the background helping to work. KJ behind you, and get a picture of KJ and little Peter with his broom. So this is all the dirt that's going to be thrown away, and yeah, and we had a very good team helping out. And then tonight we'll have some people that will be guarding and taking care of the property, so there wouldn't be any more further vandalism.
Africa is our land. Help us to love each